Hey guys, this is China Saladis, and today I'm going to have a review about this Fact Animal Aqua Relax mask. This is good for like having those glowing skin like all the Koreans do. I bought them for my friends. Let's try. Ooh, I'm going to be a fox. It's so great. Okay, how do we do this? It's pretty hard though. Yeah. And here it goes. Okay, how do I look? Ooh, oh look! I have this star smile. So it says here it's like for like 20 to 30 minutes. What does the fox says? Okay, so this Fox Animal Aqua Relax mask. It is good for keeping skin moist and soft. It contains peptide complex Swiftlet Nest Extract, which keeps the skin more elastic and moist. It is made of portulaca extract, which is good for calming skin, and it contains aloe vera leaf juice, which helps keep sensitive skin always smooth and clean. So it's like 20 minutes already. Then the remaining if you have any remaining like this dewy essence, you can put this on your neck. Then it really does relaxes your face. Like I was like having those masks on my face, like around my sleeve. It's cute though.